Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So we all know about a trial reel on Instagram, how to post a trial reel. So the main thing is how to find a trial reels that you have already posted. For example, once you have posted a trial reel, how to check how many views you got, how much likes you got, because it will not show here in your profile grid. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to find your trial reels. So first you need to open your Instagram account. Then you have to go to a Reels tab. So here you can see I will click on Reel tabs. So here you will see one option as draft and trial reels. So if you will click on this one, you will get two options, draft and trial reels. If you will click on draft, you will see all those draft reels. If you will click on trial reels, you will find all those reels you have posted as a trial, and you can see there is a 23 view, 0 likes. So in this way you can find your trial reels. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.